Listen to the sentences. What do the new words mean? 1. Mr. Norton is a journalist. He works for television. 2. Journalists usually travel a lot and meet a lot of people. 3. My father's hobby is photography. He likes to take pictures of our family. 4. Photography is very interesting and not at all easy. Listen and read.
A. Aunt. Learn. Magazine. Newspaper. Uncle. University. B. Aunt. My aunt. Aunt Polly. John's aunt. My 2 aunts live in my hometown. Aunt Liz is 42. Learn. Learnt. Learned. Learnt. Learned. To learn English. To learn Russian. To learn a lot of things. In our lessons, we learn a lot of interesting things. When did he learn to play the piano? Magazine. A new magazine. My favorite magazine. To read magazines. I don't read children's magazines. We read about it in a magazine. Newspaper. A British newspaper. A school newspaper. To write for a newspaper. My friend writes for our school newspaper. Uncle. Her uncle. Sally's uncle. Do you often visit your aunt and uncle? Where does your uncle live? University. A new university. London University. Moscow University. To be at university. Do you want to be a university student? They met when they were at university.